Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Poor downtrodden kids resorting to sniffing correction ink as an alternative to narcotics. More and more kids getting addicted to the deadly substance. Government to select technology for garbage disposal plant by October. Project to be completed within a year after considering all stakeholders. Government accepts Vijay's demand of banning active politicians from heading sports associations. Says government will come out with legislation soon. And Sporting Club de Goa aim to be in top 5 in I-League this season. Flaming Orange president Peter Vaz retains over 95% squad. Peter hopes new signing Bertrand Bong will fire. And now the news in detail. It is shocking and dangerous, but a reality. Children from poor strata are switching to correction ink as an alternative to liquor and other alcoholic substances. The teenage loiterers at Madgaon are hooked to a whitener or correction fluid used to erase typing mistakes. This is a type of drug that is cheaply and easily available, making these children addicted. Watch Samir Bhatt's special report.
Every day you can see this gang of children along the Madgaon Municipal Garden. Have a close watch. They take out a pack of correction fluid with diluter and empty the contents into a thick cloth napkin. The cloth is soon soaked with the ink and then they take the first sniff. The cloth is then passed around to the group of 4 to 5 teenagers. They are usually beggars and rag pickers. It is believed that these children use this as an alternative to costly alcohol and related substances. We at Prudent investigated further. The small packet of correction ink carries a warning, a danger warning. Have a look. Contains toluene. Do not drink or inhale. Misuse by drinking or inhalation can be harmful and even fatal. Inflammable material and keep away from head. It is dangerous, addictive drug that is cheap and easy to manufacture and can create a potential drug crisis. It is an explosive substance too. Correction ink limited to an office purpose has now turned to be a popular drug not just among adults but the poor children too. One more issue of worry before the government, which is already facing widespread liquor and drug menace. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Government will select technology for garbage treatment plant by October. Chief Minister, while replying in the Assembly on Thursday, said that expression of interest for technology selection will be asked from the companies by September. Parrikar has made it clear that moment the technology is finalized, government will try to complete the project within a year. The question was raised by the WMLA, Movin Gudino.
Taligaon je university land asle te heje tabyan dile corporation of the city of Panjim. Ani last time इतलो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ले इतली घाण येताली ती घाण सोबंदे एनआयओ ते राजभवन ते सिद्धार्थ मुंडाका आनी सगळे सराउंडिंग एरिया आमचे मनादीक मुखेलमंत्री सुद्धा थिंगा रावता थिंगा हांवूय थिंगा रावता गार्बेज लासून उजो करून धुंवरी इतली जाताली पास जावपा जायना पूण हांव तुज्या लक्षांत हाडटा मनादीक मंत्र्याचे हांवें जेन्ना कंप्लेन केले मनादीक मुखेलमंत्र्या रोखडोच दुसरे दीस येयले आनी ते धुंवरी जाताली ती बंद केली फायर बंद केलो hundreds of people stay in every colony. 150 फ्लॅट, 200 फ्लॅट, 400 फ्लॅट, 500 फ्लॅट लोक रावता. हे उदक मिक्स जावन पॉयझन जातले विथ द लिचेड. So given another 5 years, 7 years, your entire well water which these builders mix with government water, कित्याक government water कोणाच पावना. हेजेर तुम्ही कितें उपाय घेता?
चडशे नगरपालिकांनी गार्बेज डिस्पोजल सुरू केल्ले आहा, कंपोस्टिंग सुरू केल्ले आहा. थोडे कडेन प्रॉब्लेम आहा आनी पंचायतींनी सगळी प्रॉब्लेम चालू आहा. म्हणटकूच विशय हा बेसिकली पंचायतीची गार्बेज खंय वयतली पळय ती. ताका लागून आमच्या सरकारान म्हटलेलें कितें एक 2 नाल्यार 3 प्लांट आमी तयार करया जे सगळ्यांक फॅसिलिटी गावतली पळय तशी. आपल्या पंचायतीन कोणाक नाका, आपल्या वॉर्डान कोणाक नाका, सरकारान खंय घालचें हो मोठो समस्या आहा. इट्स अ बिग इश्यू. थोडो टायम वयतलो स्पीकर सर, म्हूण आमचे गोल्डन जुबली सेलिब्रेशन सोंपता तेचे पयलीं हो विशय सुट्टलो.
By September, tentatively, we will go for tentatively. This is not a fixed time limit, but tentatively we have targeted ourselves that by September we go for a tender to identify technology. By that time, the place will be identified, but will come into picture after technology is identified. Once this technology is identified by some experts appointed by Science and Technology Department, I will take a delegation of some MLAs and some people where the plant is being situated to the operating plant of that technology. Let us engage some of the Sarpanch and environmental group also, NGOs. This exercise will be done by October or November so that we can finalize the plant in November and then it will take 1 year to complete.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has principally accepted the idea of banning elected representatives from heading sports associations in the state. During the demand on sports, Fatordha MLA Vijay Sardesai pressed for a bill that will ban active politicians from becoming the head of a sports body. Parrikar intervened in Sports Minister Ramesh Tawardkar's reply to say that the government feels the same and Vijay's demand is accepted in principle.
Politician, active politician, तरी कमीत कमी स्पोर्ट्साच्या हातून आसचे न्ही अशें ह्याय सरकाराचें मत आहा. नाजाल्यार बाकीचे कडेन जेन्ना सत्ता आयली की पयलीं हात घालता क्रिकेट एसोसिएशनचे. तुका हांव दिश्टी पडला? हांव प्रश्न विचारता.
इतले पोर्टफोलियो आसतना ते क्रिकेट कित्याक पोर्टफोलियो?
प्रश्न असो की क्रिकेटचे बरें जातले जाल्यार क्रिकेटीन जे कोण इंटरेस्टेड आसा त्या लोकांनी ते चलोवंक जाय आनी बऱ्या लोकांनी चलोवंक जाय ह्या मताचे आमी. पण पॉलिटिक्स पूर्णपणे काडूंक येवचें ना, कारण आमी पॉलिटिक्स केलें ना जाल्यार ते क्रिकेटीन भितर पॉलिटिक्स आहा. आमकां बेजिकली स्पोर्ट्साच्या हातून इंटरफियर करपाची इच्छा ना.
पूण बिल हाडपाची तयारी आसा तुमची की नाकाच नो इलेक्टेड पर्सन शूड हेड इट? आर यू क्लियर ऑन द पॉलिसी? हे जनरल फिलिंग जालें की तुमकां टेक ओवर करूंक नाका. फाल्यां आनी कोण चेंज जालो जाल्यार तो येवन बसता. एक कायदो करूंक सोदता तो ना अशें एक जनरल फिलिंगूच आहा तुमची.
करुया मरे.
हांव तेंच म्हाका क्लॅरिटी जाय ताजेर.
डेफिनेटली.
केन्ना लुसोबिनिया गेम्स जातकर काय पयलीं? हे सेशनान हे लेजिस्लेटिव्ह
स्पीकर सर, कायदे करप सोंपें आसता, इम्प्लिमेंट करप आनी ते सगळे पास करून घेवप. हांव आतां ह्या असेंब्लीकूय जे कायदे येवंक जाय ताचे खातीर कितलो स्ट्रगल करता ते म्हाका खबर आहा. त्यामुळे पयलीं लक्ष आमी सद्याक बऱ्या काही गजालींचेर करुया. कायदे करुया आनी इन प्रिन्सिपल एक्सेप्टेड, बट एक्चुअल कायदो करपाक थोडे दीस लागतले. 2 दिसान जायना न्ही ते.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.